What's up, boys? Yo. So today we are putting in the Cali raised low profile ditch lights on your 3rd gen Tacoma Taco. But yeah, basically they sit like that, but under this, you know, it's easier if you mount the lights to the brackets first, so I've already done that. But you know, I'm just ripping and dipping. But yeah, so it's gonna be a little how-to video for y'all. So you're gonna need 1/2 inch socket, and you're gonna literally, check this, it's 2 of these bolts, right? Factory ones, you don't even need any hardware. Pop these 2 out, slide the bracket in, and then put them back on. Make sure it's on the right side though. This is not for this side. This is for the driver's side. See, that's wrong. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? But yeah, you get it. So yeah, I'll show you that right now. About to rip through this, throw these 2 on for y'all, and then I'll show you what it looks like when they're on, and then we'll do the stupid wiring. I lied. 12 mil, not 1/2 inch. All right, 12 mil. But yeah, make sure you slide it under the bracket, not in between. I mean, I guess you could do that. I don't really know. That's how I did it, but that's how they're looking mounted up there. So the guy I got these from, my buddy, he had them set up for a 45-degree setup. So they're kind of, you can see, pointed out. I'll probably adjust that to forward, because I mean, these will mostly get used for the crack whore up there, you know, shine them in her windows to wake her up at crack hours, aka during the daytime. And you know, people on 81 that want to sit in the left lane doing 65. So yeah, I'm gonna get the other one on. I'll show you what it looks like with the hood closed. Alright, yo, all right, yo, that's what we're looking at. That's what they look like. I dig it. I don't mind it. So that's what it is. But now the not so fun part, obviously, is gonna be, you know, the little wiring. I hate this stuff, but yeah, cool switch I got though for this stuff, at least the digital lights. That's pretty tough. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this in. This goes up in that little spot up in there, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna take care of that. All right, yo, let me lay my basic plan of attack down on you. So I ran, oh, I just tripped. I ran this line over for that, right? Obviously the junk is gonna all generally be in this area, so I piled it all here, ran a line for this, yanked the individual wire, and I snuck it through there where I ran the wires for my radar. I'm just gonna free ball it and tuck it later. That's for my radar. I'll show you quick, goddammit. It is right here, this thing, right? So I'm gonna run it down through here's the game plan. Feed it up through the back into here. Don't mind this, I yanked this out. This just yanks right out, okay? Just manhandle it, it'll come out. You won't break it, don't worry. And this, 4 little Phillips head screws. I lost one, yes, there's 3 there, but there is 4 on it, okay? So my plan is to drill out this wide enough to fit this connector through it, like that. You're supposed to get Cali raised, makes a nice bracket that goes in here, sits up, you know, nice, and holds all your switches and makes them look OEM. I don't have that right now, okay? I got mine off Marketplace. He kept the freaking thing, so I have to get it still. So for now, my switch will be just sitting in here, you know, kind of just hanging and blowing in the wind like that. But eventually I'll have the, you know, you get what I'm saying, all right? So basically, I've got this. I've got a drill, and I'm gonna just drill it out till it fits. I've hooked up my ground here for this little thingy, and then this is gonna go to my battery, positive. But I'm gonna clip this and just wrap it around since I have the switch. You know, I'm not worried about it. And this has to get grounded over here somewhere too. Tidy all this up, connect it all up. We'll be done. Easy peasy, lemon freaking squeezy. Yo, yo, yo. All right, so these 2 just hang, okay? You don't use those for anything, all right? This is my little wiring job. Zip tied that along there, you know, zip tied it all together. Stashed it all in there. We got this red running here, this black running here is a ground. We got this grounded. We got 2 red wires running in there. One to this battery wrapped around, one to that wrapped around. Yep, it's not the best way to do it, but I just wrapped around, called it a day because it's quick and easy, and they work. Now I'm gonna tuck this through the back side of my janky hole and just let it sit here for now. But there's my beautiful switch. You know, it's got the glow. Don't mind this. I basically need to extend one of the wires to fit it in there. So for now, it's just gonna sit up here, but they sound gnarly when they turn on and off. Even they're like heavy duty. I mean, look at these things, man. They don't play. That's 45 degrees, but I'll probably straighten them up. I don't know. Gonna go do some testing on the trails tonight. We'll see how I like it. But yeah, there it is, boys. I'll show you the on trail cam situation. All right, yo. So here is no headlights, just ditch lights. You can see, you know, they're 45 off to the side, but this is just my fog lights on. I really think I'm gonna adjust them a little bit. I'll show you from the top. Don't mind that. Yeah, I reckon these things are pretty sick, not gonna lie. But as you can see, the spread's just way out on the sides because, you know, obviously, oh, I almost just busted my ankle. I got them 45 a little wide, but this is how my buddy had them set up on his truck. So I was like, I'll just leave it, see how they go, adjust them at night, and here I am. So I don't know, I was thinking about twisting it in more. I mean, oh, look at that. That's just nuts. This is just up and down, like, huh. Yeah, you can see those ditches pretty wrecking good. But I gotta loosen the hardware to actually adjust them side to side. It's just loose enough to adjust up and down right now, but I'll take care of it. But yeah, guys, so that's gonna end this video. These things are pretty sick, not gonna lie. I kind of love them, but I don't know, I just love the yellow maybe. I mean, I like my fogs too, you know? I don't know. Hard to say. Come on, the all yellow looks tough. I don't give a fuck what the haters say. Fuck them, right? Gang, gang. All right. I'll catch you, boys. Have a good night.